Look, if you've ever waited to feel motivated before starting something important, you're not alone. But here's the thing, that's exactly why most people stay stuck. They keep waiting for the perfect mood, the perfect energy, the perfect timing, and months go by with nothing to show for it. Motivation is unreliable. Discipline is not. A study published in the European Journal of Social Psychology found that it takes an average of 66 days to form a habit, meaning your actions today matter far more than how you feel in the moment. So if you're still depending on motivation, you're basically outsourcing your success to your emotions. And that's a losing game. Here's what most people don't realize. Discipline isn't something you have. It's something you build through systems. So let's break down 5 discipline hacks that actually work. Hack number 1. Start ridiculously small. Look, your brain resists big tasks because they feel overwhelming. Instead of saying, I'll work out for an hour, start with 5 minutes. This removes resistance. Once you start, momentum takes over. This is called the activation energy principle. Starting is the hardest part. Hack number 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it's bigger, break it into a 2-minute starting step. Example. Instead of study for exam, just open notes and read 1 page. This trains your brain to act without overthinking. Hack number 3. Remove friction, not just add motivation. Now, you might be thinking, I just need more willpower. No, you need better environment design. If your phone distracts you, put it in another room. If your gym clothes are hard to access, you'll skip workouts. Discipline is easier when the environment supports your goals. Hack number 4. Schedule. Don't rely on feelings. Successful people don't ask, do I feel like doing this? They ask, is this on my schedule? Time block your tasks like appointments. When it's scheduled, it becomes non-negotiable. This removes decision fatigue, the mental drain that kills consistency. Hack number 5. Track small wins daily. This is where it gets really interesting. Your brain releases dopamine when you complete tasks. Tracking progress, like marking a checklist, reinforces behavior. Over time, you start identifying as someone disciplined. And identity drives long-term success more than motivation ever will. Think of discipline like brushing your teeth. You don't negotiate with yourself every morning. You just do it. That's because it's wired into your identity. The same principle applies to success in fitness, career, or personal growth. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start acting small, consistently, and intentionally. Because motivation fades, but discipline compounds. And if you can master discipline, you don't just achieve goals. You become the kind of person who achieves them. So here's your challenge. Pick one of these hacks and apply it today. Not tomorrow. Today. Your future self is watching what you do right now.